that was my...
Hurry up, because right now you got a good view in the back.
Oh my. Watch out, duckies.